Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Pi Network Price Prediction 2022. What's the future of the Pi Network? Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Pi Network is a digital currency initiative that aims to make cryptocurrency mining more accessible to the general public. As first-generation currencies such as Bitcoin have become increasingly centralized, making them out of reach for the majority of the population. The Pi Network, which was developed by a group of Stanford graduates, allows users to mine cryptocurrencies using mobile phone software, while also authenticating transactions on a distributed ledger, according to the Pi Foundation. Pi is still in the pre-release phase. If you're wondering how to acquire the Pi coin for your investment portfolio, you won't be able to. It would only be possible to withdraw or exchange Pi cryptocurrency coins during the project's third phase, when the cryptocurrency is moved to a decentralized blockchain for users who have mined the cryptocurrency. To prevent fake accounts from amassing large amounts of coins during the testing phase, the project's website states that the Pi cannot be transferred during this period. In order for valid balances to be honored, it is expected that the Pi will transition from a testnet to a mainnet when the blockchain protocol is released from the development and is fully deployed. Therefore, Pi coin is not currently available for purchase or sale on any cryptocurrency exchange or trading platform. Precise pricing for Pi has not yet been determined. The coin's holders will also be able to fully control their private and public wallet keys once Phase 3 is launched. They'll also be able to use the coin to purchase products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer market or exchange it for fiat currency once Phase 3 is launched. Users will be unable to transfer or spend their currency if they do not have access to the keys. In addition to acting as a cryptocurrency wallet, the Pi mining app can be linked to a user's mobile phone number or a Facebook account. The Pi blockchain, like the other public blockchains, will allow external wallets to hold Pi coins and submit transactions directly to the blockchain, just like the other public blockchains. However, unlike the other public blockchains, its developers have not yet made the source code available for public consumption. Early adopters are stockpiling Pi cryptocurrency in anticipation of a sharp increase in the value of the cryptocurrency after the Phase 3 goes live. Despite the fact that the coin's mining rate has halved, users can increase their mining rate by connecting with other active miners. According to the developers, new users can only join the Pi network if they have received a referral code from an existing member of the community. The project's developers claim that the personal networks, which encourage users to bring in friends and family, improve the security of the Pi network, prompting some to speculate that the project is a multi-level marketing or a pyramid scheme. It's important to note, however, that users can only earn coins from their own direct networks, not from the networks of their connections, as would be the case with an MLM scheme. During the month of November, the organization began releasing tech and product updates to provide a snapshot of the work that had been done behind the scenes during the preceding month. According to the bulletin from October, the core team spent a significant amount of time rolling out new and updated product features in the Pi ecosystem. These included the KYC app pilot and the Block Explorer, among the other things. Following the extensive testing with community moderators, the KYC app pilot was made available on a limited basis in order to begin the process of verifying pioneers and to improve the app's usability and machine automation, among the other things. The Pi Block Explorer, which allows pioneers to view transaction history and explore transaction data such as sender, receiver, and amount, was also made available for them to utilize. Pi Wallet has also been updated, with the company creating push notifications to alert pioneers when they receive a payment on the blockchain, and fixing a bug that prevented Android users from seeing their wallet passphrase. Pi Wallet is available for download here. The Brainstorm app, according to the company, now includes a redesigned app that displays hackathon winners and showcases an improved user interface, improved tag functionality that allows users to create custom tags for their projects, and a feature that allows projects to upload logos to their Brainstorm page, among the other enhancements. Some cryptocurrency analysts have already begun predicting the value of the Pi network, and others are still in the process of doing so. Examine what the Pi price is likely to be when it does begin trading in future. Forecast the price of the Pi coin for the year 2021 and 2025. As with other digital coins, the price of the Pi cryptocurrency is expected to begin at a low level in relation to the US dollar and rise as the cryptocurrency's popularity increases. What do some of the price forecasters have to say about the situation? Pi coin has current value of $0.007077 according to the cryptocurrency data provider CoinMarketCap and algorithm-based forecasting website Valid Investor. For the month of March this year, Valid Investor predicted that the Pi cryptocurrency would be worth $0.0132 with a downside of $0.00743. However, according to the website, it is no longer updating its weather forecasting capabilities. In March, Digital Coins Pi Network Price Prediction 2021 to 2025 predicted that the coin's price would rise from an average of 0.0108 against the US dollars in 2021 to $0.0128 in 2022 and $0.0212 by 2025. The coin's price rising to $0.0128 in 2022 and $0.0212 by 2025. More specifically, it predicted that the Pi price would average 0.0319 by 2028, implying that the value of the Pi coin in 2030 would be higher than it's today. The forecast, on the other hand, is no longer updated on the website. According to cryptocurrency exchange Changely, the bull case for the PI could see the coin's price launch at $0.16 and reach $1 a year later, depending on the number of the cryptocurrency users and exchanges that adopt the cryptocurrency. Longer term, the price could rise to $5 in 5 years if the current trend continues. In addition, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency markets are still extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in 5 hours, and even more difficult to make long-term predictions. As a result, analysts can and frequently do make incorrect predictions. It's always advisable to conduct your own research and take into account the most recent market trends and news, as well as technical and fundamental analysis and expert opinion before making any investment decision, and never put more money into an investment than you can afford to lose. When will Pi coins be available for purchase on the market? The launch of the Pi cryptocurrency is scheduled to take place during the third development phase of the Pi network. There is no set date for this event. The progress of testing phase, as well as the timing of the subsequent listing on cryptocurrency exchanges, will determine the exact date. How many Pi coins are there gonna be? The number of the Pi coins that will be in circulation when the project goes live, as well as the maximum supply, have not yet been disclosed by the project's developers. What do you think the future of the Pi coin will be? The process of transitioning from testnet to mainnet operation, as well as the adoption of the apps in the Pi network ecosystem, will determine the long-term viability of the Pi coin project. Is the Pi coin a safe investment? Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile investments, and there is considerable uncertainty surrounding the Pi network in particular, as it has not yet been officially launched. However, while supporters claim that the network is safe, detractors assert that it could be a pyramid scheme. Is the Pi coin a good investment at this point in time? Pi coins are currently unavailable for purchase or sale by investors. If you believe that the project will be successful in launching an accessible cryptocurrency that does not exclude everyday users from participating, you may want to consider participating in the coin's mining. Alternatively, you could hold off and purchase it through an online exchange. Always remember to conduct your own independent research and never put money at risk that you cannot afford to lose. Will the price of the Pi rise in the future? The popularity of the Pi cryptocurrency among cryptocurrency investors will determine the direction in which the price of the Pi will move. Following its launch, if the broader cryptocurrency market continues to gain momentum, there's a chance that the price of the Bitcoin will rise. Furthermore, new projects have a tendency to pique the interest of investors. However, because the coin has not yet been released, it's impossible to predict its future with any certainty. Is it possible for the Pi coin to reach $1 in 2022? Given the large number of people who have signed up to mine the coin, forecasters such as Changelly predict that the price of the Pi will rise to $1 once it begins trading on cryptocurrency exchanges after it becomes available. However, the coin has not yet been released. It's impossible to predict the future of the country with any degree of certainty. Only you have the ability to decide whether or not to believe predictions. As is always the case, you should conduct your own investigation and never put more money into an investment that you can afford to lose. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.